Hey, it's Software Student here, and today I want to showcase how we at Visual Studio Code can quickly set up a local server that allows us to showcase what we're working on when doing simple web development. So I just have a working version of Visual Studio Code. There'll be a link in the description where you can go download it. And on the left side we have this menu where I would click on extensions, and I will then look for or search, as I did, for something called Live Server, which is this very amazing extension which I will install, which allow us to have a locally hosted, as it says, development local server will live reload feature for static and dynamic pages. So we can just write our web code, our HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on, and very quickly see what we're doing. And it's a very amazing tool. But after downloading, you would need to restart Visual Studio Code. There we go. And after you restart Visual Studio Code, you should see in the bottom of this blue bar something called Go Live. So if I just create some very simple HTML, I'll just do a !tab, which creates this basic HTML setup, which I'll be talking about in the future. And let's just do like a h1 tag, and let's do some random text like subscribe, for example. I don't know where that come from, but then we would just click Go Live and give it a few seconds, and now as you can see, it opened inside my Chrome, which is my standard web browser, and I have the text displayed on the screen as set up with my HTML. And what's very amazing about this setup is that I am able to change this very quickly to, for example, hello world, and as long as I remember to save and then go back and have a look at my website, it's already changed. So very quickly and easily we're able to have something loading, and we can then change the HTML, add a CSS, a JavaScript, and so on, and just very simply and very easily are we able to showcase or see what we're doing. And what we're technically doing, as you might see down in this corner, we're actually hosting on local port 5500, so we would also be able to just go and do localhost 5500 / and we're working inside home.html like that, and we enter our local hosting website. So that's my showcase of how we quickly are able to have HTML loaded on the web using the live server extension. If you enjoyed this quick showcase, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.